So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add products from AliBaba to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your AliBaba account. So if you search for that, it's going to open this alibaba.com and you will just need to go to here, log in to your AliExpress. After that, you will see your featured products and stuff like that. So if you click on that, you will see the export button. Now, once you click the export and prepare that file, you can then go to your products right here. Then once you click on just products, so you don't click on any of these, you will see the options export, import. You can even see more actions. And you can click the import button and you can see how do you want to import your products, upload a Shopify formatted CSV file, import data from another platform. So you can see here the import data from another platform, a copy of your data from another platform using one of their recommended apps. So you can click on next and you can use that app to actually import product through and get from Alibaba to here. You can also go to the Shopify App Store and in there type in import products. You can see it's one of the main searches. And you can see product sync master. So all of these that are built for Shopify will be easier to implement to your online store. So that's basically how you can do that through a third-party member. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.